Hi everyone, in this video for grade 6 we have 7.4, which is about subtraction equations on page 149. In this one, in the subtraction equations, we mean those equations which we have subtract, minus in them. If you could understand if in the addition equations, you can understand easily in the subtraction equations, because we said in the addition, whenever we have plus, in the plus we said we will put minus that number for both of the sides, or we will move it to the other side, we will change the sign. We can use the same way, or we can say the same ways, by two ways again we can do the subtraction equations. In the first way, for the first one, we have d minus 13 equals 11. What we have with the unknown value, with the variable minus 13, so we will put plus 13 plus 13. Minus 13 plus 13 would be 0. We will just have d equals 11 plus 13, it would be 24. d equals 24. Then if you wanted to check, in the place of d we have 24. 24 minus 13 equals 11. Yes, it is the correct answer. Or by the other way that we did, minus 13, if we move it to the other side, we can do d equals 11. We said whenever you move to the other side of the equal, you will change the sign. If it's minus 13, you will make it plus 13. d equals 24. The same result always. The other one, we have x minus 8. We will put plus 8 plus 8. X minus 8 plus 8, it will be 0. In this side we will just get x equals 15 plus 8, 23. X must be 23. Then 23 minus 8 equals 15. For checking. Again, we can move minus 8 to the other side. X equals 15 minus 8. It would be plus 8. Sorry. X equals 15. We move minus 8 to the other side. It would be plus 8. In the result, x equals 23 again. Always we will get the same results in both of the ways. Which one you see is easier, you can use it. In this one we see somehow difference, which is the result is here, the subtraction is here. It doesn't change. It's the same as if you say c minus 3.4 equals 7.9, or 7.9 equals c minus 3.4. It's just changing the place, and there's no difference between. Here we see we have c minus 3.4. What do we have with the minus 3.4? So we put plus 3.4. Always we focus on the number with the unknown value. If it's minus, we will put plus of that number. If it's plus, we will put minus of that number. We will get the result. Plus 3.4. In this side, minus 3.4 plus 3.4, it will be 0. They will cancel each other. C equals 9 plus 4, it will be 13. 3 and 1 in the up. 3 plus 7 is 10. 10 and 1, 11. We will put the point in its place. 11.3. Always we know in the addition and subtraction it must be point over point, number over number. The first numbers we added, then the point, then the second numbers. So C equals 11.3, or 11.3 equals C. Same. In this case, in the other side, we move it to this side. The same thing. 7.9 it's minus 3.4, we'll make it plus 3.4 equals C. 7.9 plus 3.4, we know it is 11.3 equals C, or C equals 11.3. If you could understand addition equations, easily you can get subtraction equations, because we have in both of them we have these two ways to solve, which is always correct for any kind of questions whenever you have plus or minus between the number and the unknown value. If it's minus, we will add plus. If it's plus, we will add minus. For the second way, when we move it, if it's minus the number, you will make it plus of that number, but if it's plus, you will move to the other side, it will be minus. Always when you change the sign, whenever you change the side of the number that you move. That's all about addition and subtraction equations. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.